January, and in month of April, I volunteered myself. I said, "Kya hoga? It's like a family." And Kavita instantly she said, "Why not? Why not face yoga? If we have face, we can do face yoga." So she just said okay for that, and then I started preparing. Obviously, I had those butterflies, flying to my stomach. I used to think, oh God, मैंने कोई गलती तो नहीं कर दी volunteer कर this that. But believe me, everything went so smooth. I got appreciation from all the cafe members. They are such supportive members. They are. It's like an extended family. Believe me, आप लोग अभी join करोगे, you will feel that this cafe is like, it's like a family. Seriously, it's like a family. Then not just one session. Cafe. I thought of making a Instagram page. Okay, for that I did not know how to go with Canva. Canva we need to just to post those creatives. So obviously I did not know how to go with that. Kavita helped with us. All of us. Kavita took 3 to 4 classes on Canva, and it was so amazing. And the way she explained, it was like a child's play. I launched my Insta page. Then you won't believe, next step, blogging. I did not know how to go about blogging. Somehow she invited a blogger for the cafe workshop. And they gave such amazing tips. That person, she came and she gave such amazing tips. And they helped me with the blogging as well. Then I was taken to a bigger platform of Ladies Circle. And from there, believe me, there's no looking back. I am getting for one-to-one consultations like thrice a week. So yeah, usually I get. And through Instagram, a lot of people are approaching me for Insta Live, going Facebook Live. And all this, the confidence which I possess, actually, I can really thank to, cafe. What I feel, see, all of us have got some skill or the another. ऐसा कोई नहीं हमारे में कि इसको कुछ आता ही नहीं. We all have skills. What we don't have is, first of all, the courage. And second thing, little bit of technicalities. So for the courage, you be like, rest assured that this is the best platform. And whatever skill you possess, please don't even think twice before volunteering or before, asking for a help, because people are there to help you. All the members. I'm not just talking to Kavita. Is obviously she's always there to help you out. She helped me with deciding the consultancy charges of my face yoga as well. Can you beat that? Like small pieces, starting from my first session till the way what I'm doing. For everything she helped me, and it was never a time when I was like, "Yaar, phone karu nahi karu." I always would drop a message at Kavita, "Can I call you?" And she's like, "Why not?" So I used to just call her anytime, any time I felt like. So you are at the best place, what I can say. Whatever skills you possess, please be rest assured. Okay, there's no one to make fun out of you or anything. People are here to encourage you. Nobody is here to pull you down for sure. And it's just that the courage. You just need to take a one step, and believe me, there is no looking back. And whatever help you require, cafe is there. Cafe and all the members are there. The activities, the sessions we had, it was amazing. The speakers she called throughout the lockdown diaries. I was just preparing. I was thinking that I'll have my lockdown diaries. I attended such wonderful sessions. We had some TEDx speakers. We had some CEOs of such good companies. हम कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि yeah, we'll get to hear them. We had the owner of the Shrachi Group. Shrachi Group is supposed to be like really big in Calcutta. Rather, I think this is a listed company, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not, yeah. So we had the owner of that group to address us. Like everything about cafe is like mind blowing. That is it.
Thank you so much, Ruchika. Wonderful, wonderful
so
feedback.
Believe me, guys, I just got to know about this thing 15 minutes back, and whatever I said is straight from my heart. No preparations. 15 minutes I was like, okay, is it today? I thought hoga ek do din mein prepare kar lungi.
No, thank you so much, Ruchika. But let me also tell you that it also depends on the members' potential and their own willpower. So ऐसा नहीं है कि 300 member है कैफे में and 300 have got that success what Ruchika has got. So as I mentioned, she is the star member. तो आप expectation थोड़ा नीचे ही रखना उससे. Thank you.
Like it, Kavita, but so many people have come up.
Yeah,
like people
yes,
are
I
coming
agree
up.
because they have taken that step. Those who are waiting, they are
First
still
step.
waiting. Yes,
Just take that first step.
absolutely.
And
Yes.
yeah,
So
the world is ready for you.
Yeah, we can just push you, but वो पैर जो उठाना है वो तो आपको ही उठाना पड़ेगा ना, because हम ज्यादा धक्का लगाएंगे तो आप और पैर नहीं उठाओगे तो गिर जाओगे. So that first step you have to take, and Ruchika took the step, and she is making us proud everywhere. Thank you so much, Ruchika, and we hope Face Yoga goes world over with you, and हम लोग को अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़े थोड़े दिनों में.
For cafe,
Then
yoga
I
is
will say, wow,
always
Ruchika is called. Wow. So thank you so much, Ruchika. So, Bhavika.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Should we show the presentation first?
Yeah, let's go along. Yes.
Yeah. So we've just created a small presentation on what cafe does. So कई सारे questions आपके उस presentation से answer हो जाएंगे, और उसके बाद Bhavika is there to throw questions on me.
So I have some questions which I'll throw, and then we'll open. You all can post your question in the chat box as well.
In the chat box, yes. Screen is visible, no?
Yes, yes, it's visible.
So I'll just check कि sound आ रहा है क्या, because I don't know, मैंने computer sound on किया है कि.
Presently we are not able to hear.
Okay.
No.
अभी आ रहा है ना?
Yes, now we are getting the. वापस चला गया. Yes, yes, it's coming.
Take the world and paint your craft. Ooh, paint your craft. Paint your craft. You know it.
That was very well presented thing. I think many of the answer has been already answered by this. But then also there are a few questions, Kavita, which many of them asked me from this Karnataka thing when they were joining or when they had some doubts before joining in. So I'll just ask you some of the question and you can answer them and they'll be like more happy with the thing. And ladies, like right now you're there, if you have still any questions, you can put it in chat box and I will ask that to Kavita one by one.
Easy questions dalna.
Easy questions. So Kavita, basically how did you think of this concept? First tell me, that is my question, how did you think of this beautiful concept? How did you started it?
So, Bhavika, actually, I have been working like for 20 years. I was into investment banking. So, jaisa mostly hota hai ki we work with the husband. So both of us are chartered accountants, and we started the this together, the IntCap Advisors. And I was working with him, but deep down ना वो बहुत मजा नहीं आ रहा था काम करके. ऐसे लग रहा था कि बस ठीक है जा रही हूँ, जिस दिन मन हुआ उस दिन गई, जिस दिन नहीं मन हुआ नहीं गई. So that that responsibility and वो एक लग रहा था कि अपना potential पूरा नहीं use कर पा रही हूँ. So I was thinking for many years, whenever I got pregnant, I had to take sabbatical. So twice I had to take sabbatical. तो जब भी sabbatical होता था वो 1 year का 1.5 years का, तब दिमाग में आता था कि कुछ ऐसा करे जिसमें कि ये sabbatical ना लेना पड़े. And then I joined Ladies Circle India, wherein I served for 6 years. And there I met so many women, very talented. जैसे अपने cafe members हैं, multi-talented. सबको ये भी आता है, वो भी आता है. But still they were not able to decide कि मैं क्या करूं. And everybody had that in their mind कि मुझे अब अपने लिए कुछ करना है. Because since the kids have grown up and now they don't need that much of time of the mothers, so we have time for ourselves. अब कुछ करना है, but वो क्या करें, that decision was very difficult. So I thought कि why not help everybody with this, कि वो क्या कर सकते हैं आगे. And I researched that it was not available in Calcutta उतना इस स्केल पर कि जहाँ पर आप दूसरों को हेल्प कर रहे हो. हाँ, तो स्टार्ट जब हमने किया था, we had only 20 members and 20 में भी 19 were my friends. So they just joined कि अच्छा कविता स्टार्ट करिए तो हम लोग को सपोर्ट करना है and they all joined. So from 20 members to now, I will say
I know 400 plus,
400
I think.
plus we are today, but it's been a wonderful journey for us. मैंने भी जब स्टार्ट किया था तो सोचा नहीं था कि इतना कुछ हेल्प कर पाऊंगी. जब सोचा कि ठीक है अगर साल में 10 लोगों को भी हेल्प होता है कुछ, तो it is my dream is fulfilled that yes, I have done my bit coming in this world. So वही सोच के स्टार्ट किया था भाविका, but things changed when members joined. So today I am not alone. I am joined by every member. Every member is supporting the other member to come up and show their talent, find what they can do. So अकेले का काम नहीं है. It is because of everybody here on this platform. They are helping each other and supporting each other. So that is the base on which cafe is standing today.
Oh, lovely. And one more question is, so how many women are being benefited? Like you said, we have 400 plus women right now in cafe. So how are they taking it up?
या सो भाविका, जैसा मैंने बोला कि जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कैफे पे आओगे तो यू विल बी बेनिफिटेड, बिकॉज टू बेनिफिट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गिव. सो आपको क्या दे सकते हो, दैट यू विल ओनली हैव टू सर्च. लाइक रुचिका गेव वन फेस योगा सेशन. So one face yoga session changed her mindset also कि why only fashion के लिए मैं क्यों सोच रही हूँ, I can think in this line also. So sometimes it happens that you are thinking in one direction but things happen the other way. So we have helped many more at cafe. In fact, members have only helped them. And देखो, yeah, so this is actually not a promotional platform. So we do not promote कि आप आओ और आप अपने teasers डाल रहे हो या it is not that platform. It is a learning platform जहाँ पर कि आप आओ, सीखो, and you be active so that others know that what you are doing. So byproduct है आपका जो sales rise हो रहा है या you are getting promoted, those are byproducts but not the main thing for which you can join cafe. Please do not join cafe with only the mindset of promoting your product or your service. It is not the right platform because we will not give you that chance. So ये आप अगर वो सोचकर आप आए हो, उसके लिए दूसरे platforms है जहाँ पर कि आप selling कर सकते हो, and but this is not that platform. So we have many other members who have been benefited. I have another one here, Rinku. She also wants to share her feedback.
Share, yeah.
So just let me unmute. Rinku, you need to unmute.
Yeah, I'm audible? Yeah.
Yes.
I just read 5 minutes back, so I just told Kavita I want to share my experience with you. So मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया था 5 months back, तो जो नाम था करियर आफ्टर फैमिली, उसी में मेरे को अपना आंसर दिख रहा था. जो मैं 4 years से अपना आइडेंटिटी ढूंढ रही थी, तो मेरे को इस नाम पे इतना अट्रैक्शन लगा कि विदाउट थिंकिंग आई ज्वाइन. And the first day was the first question I was asked, what are you expecting from career after family? And the first thing I told is I want to find my identification and I want to be financially independent. कि theory बहुत कर लिया, practical कुछ करना है मुझे, apply करना है जिंदगी में. तो लेकिन 5 months में मैंने इतना कुछ सीखा है, like इतने सारे mentors, और सबसे कविता ने she's always made us feel कि you have the potential. That is the mentoring was that कि you don't think yourself that you are ordinary. Everyone has the potential. Don't think that you are a housewife. Never say that you are a housewife. Each one of us have the potential. तो उसी में ही मेरे को जब all the all the mentors का motivation, Kavita का motivation, she helped me to find my inner potential. So मैंने just उसको बोला कि like I want to take this forward, and she gave me the chance to give my whatever I knew to share my skill, and that was life changing for me. उससे मेरे को अपना like एक वजूद लगता है कि मेरे को एक अपना एक वजूद मिला है. तो career after family is
really lovely.
Yeah,
that's so beautiful.
Yes, means I found cafe जो they can turn from I can't do it to I can do it. That is the answer they give.
Thank you so much, Rinku. It's so heartwarming to receive the feedbacks. ऐसे हम लोगों को मिलता नहीं है. आज आप लोगों के कारण हमको भी feedback मिल गया है. So it is actually very heartwarming. I would like to say that Rinku has just launched her zero oil cooking cloud kitchen 2-3 days ago. इतने सालों से सोचने के बाद, हमारे भी इतना धक्का लगाने के बाद, फिर उसने अपना कदम उठाया, and now she has launched her cloud kitchen of zero oil cooking, which is for a healthy heart. And we wish you all the best, Rinku, and thank you so much for this feedback. It really means a lot.
Thank you so much, Kavita.
And I will also say that Ruchika and Rinku both were members of our Lead Your Dreams program, so which is our flagship program on entrepreneurship. It is about 12 to 13 sessions we take in this program, and we teach you all about, you know, starting a business, जिसमें आप marketing, branding, accounting,
Everything.
सब चीज आप सीखते हो. So हमने 4 batches किए हैं उसके, and Rinku, Ruchika, there are others also who did that course and they have launched their pages and their you know, startups recently. So we wish them all the best. Over to you, Bhavika.
Yes, so I think many answers, 2-3 question और थे जिसके answer already मुझे मिल गए. Like we don't promote any brand, but we help you to grow along with each other. And segment पता चल गया, we focus on what kind of segment, so that also is answered. And we have heard amazing success stories. 2 है आज. That's lovely. Like वो एक अलग ही happiness कविता के face में मुझे दिख रहा है अभी when they are saying that spark. One more and major important thing जो सबका question था, are there any charges, any fees, how do you manage everything? So
yeah, so Bhavika, अपने अभी तक आज तक जो भी अपने लोगों ने किया है, it is all without any charges, without any fees. It's a social initiative to help women, because अगर पहले ही हमको चार्ज लगा देंगे तो वो जो ऑलरेडी सोच रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी कंफ्यूज्ड है कि मैं क्या करूं, तो वो और कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि अब ये इन्वेस्टमेंट करूं कि नहीं करूं. हम उनको कोई कंफ्यूजन अपने उनको नहीं देना चाहते एट कैफे. वी वांट यू टू जस्ट कम फॉरवर्ड एंड यू नो गेट इनटू द ग्रुप, सपोर्ट ईच अदर. तो पहले खुद हेल्प लेने से पहले आपको ये दिख जाएगा कि अच्छा मैं उसका हेल्प कर सकती हूँ. सो दैट गिव्स यू लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. बिलीव मी, जो भी अपने को लगता है ना कि शायद मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं बिकॉज मुझे नहीं आता है, बट वो चेंज हो जाएगा आपका वंस यू स्टार्ट हेल्पिंग अदर्स. सो व्हेन यू लिफ्ट समबडी अप, आपको खुद को भी ऊंचा होना पड़ता है. सो दैट यू नो कॉन्सेप्ट इज देयर. एंड चार्जेस अपने अभी तक किसी चीज के नहीं थे, बट नाउ वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग वन कोर्स ऑन स्टॉक मार्केट्स, which is a joint course with Credent Academy. It's a big academy on stock market education. आप उनका वेबसाइट देख सकते हो. So it's a 5-month course on stock markets, specially designed for cafe. उसका original price उनका 23,000 something था, but they have considered a lot of discount for us and they are giving it at 8,000 plus GST to all of us. And it's a 5-month course, interactive course, excellently designed for women. So that is the only course which is chargeable at cafe. उसके अलावा अपने, और वो भी charged by the academy, not by cafe. Yeah. So cafe में अपने एक भी पैसा ना लेते, और अगर आपको कोई बोलता भी है कि नहीं ये कोर्स पेड है या वो है, please clarify with us. There is no charge for any course at cafe.
Yeah, I remember the very first day when I had word with you and I asked you, so like what is your benefit, and the answer which Kavita gave me is like कि जो बच्चों का कुछ अचीवमेंट होता है तब जो खुशी होती है उससे ज्यादा इधर जो ग्रोथ होता है उसमें जो खुशी मिलती है. आज 1-2 जन आके बोलते हैं कि मैंने ये अचीव किया, so that is the main return what we are getting here in the cafe. So that was an amazing experience what I felt with Kavita. So another thing is like, how do you select the mentors? Like you have a mentors on board. So what are the thing? How do they help in the cafe?
So mentor selection का process अपना बहुत simple है भाविका. We choose, I will not say the best in the world, but the major selection criteria is that they should be willing to help others. तो जब किसी को help की जरूरत है तो आप उसके लिए हो वहाँ पर help करने के लिए. And they are definitely experts in their own field, and the mentors are actually there. They are giving selfless service. So आज हम charge नहीं कर रहे हैं सिर्फ इसलिए कि हमारे mentors हमको charge नहीं कर रहे. They're all giving you free selfless service, and they're coming for sessions. अपना expertise share करते हैं. आपको कोई भी query होता है तो वो आप उनको भेज सकते हो on email. They will reply it. So that is one thing. And another thing is we are not here to, you know, the mentors, those who are here, they now want to give back to the society. They have all reached a position कि अब उनको लगता है कि हम भी कुछ society को return में दें. So this platform they also found useful कि अपना कोई commercial interest नहीं है किसी का भी. So all the mentors have joined hands with us.
There's one question from Parul Agarwal, which I'll take. Is a cafe for only women already professional, or who are not working for a long time or were never working at all?
Yeah, so Parul, अपना यहाँ पर the only one thing common is we all are women and we all are married, we have families, and हम लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं दिल में इच्छा है कि हम कुछ करें. अब उसके पहले आपने कभी कुछ किया था, नहीं किया था, आगे कर रहे हैं अभी या नहीं कर रहे हैं, that really does not matter. Only thing is that you have that in your desires that you want to do something. आप सीखना चाहते हो, अपने आप को upskill करना चाहते हो, so then cafe is for you.
Okay, and any other question, ladies? Like, just put it in chat box. Then, Kavita, what are the plans in near future? Like, they can have an idea about it if you have some plans for this month or something.
Yeah, so August we just had fun sessions with
Yes.
Bhavika. So Bhavika made everybody, happy. सब परेशान हो गए थे कि कविता खाली पढ़ा रही है खाली boring sessions करा रही है, खाली ये सिखा रही है, वो सिखा रही है. And Bhavika came and turned everything upside down, and we had lovely networking sessions in August wherein 150 women joined. तो हम लोगों ने 5 सेशन किए थे नेटवर्किंग के. चाय पे गपशप उसका नाम था. And there were lovely gift hampers sponsored by members only.
Members
Some of
itself.
the members, they sponsored the gift hampers, and it was networking कि आप एक दूसरे को जानो कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. So unless we know each other, how will we will be able to help कि अच्छा किसी ने पूछा कि आप इसको जानते हो क्या जो पोशाक बनाता है, या somebody who's into yoga. So when you know that yes, this member is into this thing, then only you can help pass on the reference. So it was with that concept. And in September we are back to our original padai. And so we have certain regular courses, as you saw in the presentation. English Winglish is once a week class, which is taken by our own member Priya, and we are so proud of her. This is the second batch, and she has actually changed lives of women who are just lacking because English बोलने में हिचकते हैं. So Priya is our own member, and she's turned a mentor for them, and it's a 3-month program, English Winglish, और उसमें हम spoken English कराते हैं उसमें. So that is one regular program which is running. Another one, like I said, stock markets अपने start कर रहे हैं. So that is twice a week program that will run for 5 months. उसके अलावा अपने डिजिटल वेडनेसडेज फिक्स्ड हैं, जहां पर अपने कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड जितने चीज होते हैं ना वो सब सिखाते हैं. जैसे रुचिका ने बोला कि एक्सेल है, पावर पॉइंट है, कैनवा है, गूगल है, जीमेल है, वर्ड है, व्हाटएवर इज रिलेटेड टू कंप्यूटर्स और एप्लीकेशंस अपने डिजिटल वेडनेसडेज में उस टाइप के क्लासेस कराते हैं. एंड देन ट्यूसडेज वी हैव एक्सपर्ट्स सेशन. तो वो एक्सपर्ट्स अपने पहले तो खोजते हैं कि हमें कैफे में ही एक्सपर्ट्स मिल जाए, जैसे रुचिका, रिंकू, देयर ऑल नाउ एक्सपर्ट्स इन कैफे. तो अपने खोजते हैं कि आज फ्री है रुचिका तो प्लीज टेक अ सेशन एट कैफे फॉर फेस योगा, या रिंकू 0 ऑयल कुकिंग सिखा दो. So and if they are not free, then we go outside and we find experts in different subjects. So this Tuesday, like coming Tuesday, we have a session with Mama Mia owner. She'll be taking on food styling and photography. तो आप घर के आलू और भिंडी को कैसे सुंदर बना सकते हैं देखने में, और कैसे उसका फोटोग्राफी करके you can post it, which is very in nowadays. अपने कुछ भी बनाते हैं तो अपने डालते हैं. So that is Tuesday, and I think that is all. Saturdays we have Y Cafe sessions most of the Saturdays. So Y Cafe 12 से 22 साल के बच्चों के लिए है, जहाँ पर कि अपने उनको करियर गाइडेंस भी करते हैं. प्लस वी हैव अ फ्यू क्लब्स like art club, opinions club, chefs club and natures club, wherein they get leadership positions.
Yes.
ताकि उनका confidence build up हो, and they also get the exposure कि how to deal with the peer group team.
Correct. And they are doing amazing.
Yeah. Y Cafe तो kids are really rocking it. जो हमने नहीं दिमाग लगाया वो सब
amazing. What an idea they have, like superb.
Absolutely. So that is one. Sundays we do not keep sessions. and it is up to you to decide कि आप कौन सा session करना चाहते हैं. It is not at all compulsory कि आपको sessions करने ही हैं, but we would encourage कि अगर आप sessions करोगे, there will be little learning also for you and people will come to know you. Unless you are active in cafe group, people will not know you. मैं एग्जाम्पल बहुत गंदा सा दे रही हूँ यहाँ पर भाविका का. So भाविका was in cafe. I don't know कब से उसने join कर रखा है cafe, but now everybody knows her because she was active. भाविका मैं कुछ गलत बोल रही हूँ क्या?
एकदम भी नहीं.
So you have to be active.
मैं I think अप्रैल में से जब से my sister they told and they were having the session, मैं तब से ग्रुप में तो ज्वाइन हो गई थी. For some of my like my son's class वो doodling वगैरह जो भी था कब से थी. But I was just very quiet, no one knew me. But suddenly कुछ आ गया, वो magic wand तुम घुमाते हो ना, वही है.
लाइमलाइट में आ गई है भाविका. Now everybody is, अगर मैंने कोई चीज के लिए मना किया तो they will go to भाविका. भाविका कविता मना कर रही है, ये करा दो. So it is like you have to be active. So you try and join sessions whatever is there, because sessions हम plan करते हैं आपके अच्छे के लिए ही, so that you upskill. There is nothing that if you feel कि आपको सब आता है और अब आपको कोई learning का जरूरत नहीं है, then you are at a wrong.
So Sapna is asking, is it compulsory to attend every day? Kavita, you can take it. No, it's not compulsory.
So just I said कि compulsory कुछ भी नहीं है cafe में. The only thing compulsory is to help others, and positivity बनाए रखो group में. There should not be any comments on political news या भी कोविड से रिलेटेड न्यूज. ये सब हम अपने ग्रुप में बिल्कुल भी अलाउ नहीं करते हैं. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट मैसेजेस इन द ग्रुप्स. एंड सेशंस अपने जूम पर होते हैं सारे. दो वी मिस आवर रियल सेशंस व्हिच यूज्ड टू हैपन बिफोर कोविड, but we will continue having online sessions only going forward also, and we will only plan some networking sessions जो कि अपने रियल में करेंगे, because we found that online sessions are very easier to do for women. अपने कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ता, and it is actually time saving
travel से हो जाता है time travel का,
and it is very cost effective also ना. We don't have place का कोई खर्चा नहीं लगता है. place का तो खैर पहले भी नहीं लगता था, because my friends had given it for free to cafe. So we will continue online sessions only, and Zoom के जो link होते हैं that we share half an hour before the session starts in the group only. WhatsApp group है जो अपना, उसी में अपने Zoom का session link अपने share करते हैं. You just need to join the link at the time, जैसे आज आप लोगों ने किया वैसे ही.
So Preeti, I think that answer your question. How can we get updated with the upcoming session? So that is it. Like you are already.
So
added I think in the group. So now that group is the place where you'll be getting the session updates. Whichever attracts you, you join. If you're free, join all, because it's always learning and growing together.
Absolutely. And we also have Facebook page which you all must like. Please थोड़ा हमारा publicity Facebook पर होना चाहिए आप लोगों के through. And we also have Insta page wherein you get all the updates. We have a group in Facebook which is a closed group only for cafe members, wherein you can discuss or share whatever you want. Even you can send in pictures of your product and services there, not every day but on a periodical basis. So that is it. Any more questions?
Pinky wanted to say something. Unmute.
पारुल, वुमेन आउट ऑफ कैलकाटा अभी तो अपने इस पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया से भी हैं, और वी हैव फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. सो आज का सेशन तो ऐसे भी
सेशन ही है कर्नाटका.
कर्नाटका के मेंबर्स ज्यादा हैं आज, बिकॉज आज कर्नाटका चैप्टर भाविका ने लॉन्च किया है, एंड नाउ इट विल ग्रो. सो वी हैव मेंबर्स फ्रॉम मेनी अदर सिटीज आल्सो. नॉट एबल टू अनम्यूट. पिंकी कहाँ है?
One second, I will unmute.
I think she's unmuted.
Hello everyone. मेरे को ये बोलना है, जैसे कविता ने बोला ना, you will have to come and give something. It is not that also, because we have not given as such.
Only the time we have given, we have got so many things. As Ruchika and Rinku said, we learned Excel, PowerPoint, many other things which we were just wasting time. And in this lockdown, she was our God. Because हम लोग सोचे थे कि सब बंद में क्या करेंगे, घर में ये होगा, how will we adjust with our kids and husband whole day around us. But everything was so organized. पहले जैसे 11 बजे क्लास था, 11 से 1 we were totally absolutely hang up over there. सब कुछ फ्री होके बैठ, फिर 3 बजे का शिफ्ट हुआ तो हम लोग शेड्यूल वैसे प्लान कर लिए. मैंने we learned and learned and learned daily. हम लोग कुछ कुछ सीखा है. सीखने को बहुत मिलेगा. अगर कुछ नहीं दोगे ना, सिर्फ टाइम दे दो, मन से टाइम दो, then you will learn a lot. Definitely, and I would request everyone to please join and give your time at least to learn and grow.
Thank you, Pinky. So time तो देना ही पड़ेगा ना, वही हम बोला. सबसे पहले you have to give. So वो give में at least time तो you will have to give.
बाप रे कविता, you are so modest. सच्ची तुम किसी में भी कुछ भी खोल लोगी.
So time.
We love you.
Thank you so much, Pinky.
No, Sapna, there is no age bar to join cafe. Sapna is asking, is there any age bar to join cafe?
No, Sapna. So we have members starting from mostly 30 years plus and up to 55 years of age. So ऐसा कोई अपने लोगों ने कोई age bracket
नहीं रखा है.
But usually since it is, you know, post the marriage and family, तो वो 30 तो ऐसे ही हो ही जाता है unless, you know, you have done child marriage. So Urmi also wants to say something and
Urmi and Purvi also, yeah.
So आज तो feedback पे feedback.
I know.
So
yes, Meena, even more than 55 is also okay. Age is just a number if you are open to learn.
Meena ji herself is more than 55.
अच्छा वैसे कि अच्छा इसलिए बोल रहे.
So Meena ji is also our English member. So that is why
Sapna is saying thank you dear to introduce in this platform. Sapna, you will be the asset to this because I know you personally and you are amazing. Kavita, she is in one of my club and she is amazing artist.
Wow.
Amazing photographer. हम लोग का एक आउट स्टेशन ट्रिप हुआ था और उसने जितनी पिक्चर्स सबकी खींची है सपना ने, सब लोग इतने ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे हैं जिसमें वो लोग इतने है भी नहीं. So that is what Sapna is. Sapna, you can just show your face to everyone.
Yeah, she's there with the mask on.
You will be asset to the cafe for sure, Sapna.
Absolutely. ये photo वाला जो बोला है तो everybody will be happy, you know. So can we have it from Purvi? Purvi, you are unmuted.
Yes. Hello, I'm Purvi from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just switch on my video.
Yeah.
Yes,
First, I thought just I'm sitting like that, so let me not show up my face. But now I feel it's okay.
एकदम.
That's what. First thing, इधर जो बहुत अच्छा लगा, what I loved most is you are valued as a housewife. नहीं तो हमेशा होता है ठीक है हम सिर्फ housewife है. Kavita made us feel okay. Being a housewife, you are doing a great job.
absolutely.
Somehow she understands your skill and she has helped me a lot to do that. थोड़ा बहुत मुझे बहुत words पसंद थे, पर ठीक है कुछ ना कुछ इधर उधर ऐसे कर लेते हैं. But like no, she pushed me and कुछ ना थोड़ा बहुत content writing कर लेती हूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ बड़ा कुछ कर लिया है, मैं जितना भी किया है ना मुझे बहुत हैप्पी फीलिंग देता है. फिर अभी एक जूम सेशन में मैं इन्वॉल्व हूँ तो मैं वो जूम सेशन करने को होस्ट करने को मुझे ऐसे ही होता था इसमें से कुछ गलत हो जाएगा, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. बट अभी इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि 4 बजे मेरा क्लास है और मैंने वहां पे चालू करके मैं दूसरे रूम से बात कर रही हूँ. ओके नाउ इट्स ओके टेकन केयर ऑफ. उधर एक वीडियो चालू कर दिया. So much, and at first class I never wanted to do that. I thought नहीं मैं ये सब नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So all these और सब नए मेंबर से रिक्वेस्ट है कि सारे के सारे सेशन अटेंड करना, क्योंकि शुरुआत में मुझे ऐसा होता था ठीक है ये मेरी जरूरत का नहीं है, मुझे कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, बट सब में कुछ ना कुछ सीखने का है. That's for sure. So somehow no, please take your time and do it. Seriously do it.
Thank you so much, Purvi.
पूर्वी, थैंक यू so
Thank
much.
you,
पूर्वी
thank
मुझे
you.
बोल रही थी आज मेरा सेशन है, मैं तो थोड़ी देर तो आ जाना एक बार.
Thank you so much, Purvi.
Okay. See you all.
Purvi is the first person from Karnataka to join the cafe.
Yes, actually yes.
Yes.
So
Okay, Urmi also wanted to say something, and I think Meena ji, so we will just take them and then.
yeah. Pinky saying Bhavika herself had child marriage.
मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं वो सब के लिए.
अच्छा किया. So Urmi, you are unmuted.
Yeah. Hi to everyone. And as I mentioned,
Urmi, you have to show your face, then
Yeah,
take
people
you.
will not.
हम लोग से connect ही नहीं कर पाएंगे.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है, कहाँ से
I'm
आवाज आ
not.
रही है?
ठीक है.
ठीक है, नया नहीं होगा max to max. अच्छा कैसे लग रही है एकदम.
Hotty.
I just wanted to say something regarding to Kavita only, about Kavita, not to Kavita, but about Kavita. It's like that I joined cafe with a different perspective. It was like that when Pinky asked me to join the thing, it was thought ठीक है क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, it's okay, 2 दिन class करेंगे, कुछ नहीं. So with that mindset, I went to them. I went and joined this cafe thing. I know I'm not good at speaking, but still I'm trying to. Then after attending few classes, and they were so interesting and they were so mind blowing that I thought, okay, wow, but anyone can do so much selflessly without a penny. She was able to teach us so many things. It's like that. How can anyone can do such thing? It was a very much a big puzzle for us. But it was initially we joined and we have gained so much that now I haven't given anything. As Pinky told that we haven't given anything apart from just time. But she has helped us. She is, I think she is the person that whomever, as Ruchika tells her that if you just drop a message, Kavita, can we call you? She will call from her side only. We don't have to call her also. It is like that. And as a person, she is the best of person I have known till date. Because a few days ago there was some incident, and some of her sentence it touched me so much. Because of few things we know that how the person is, how what are the characteristics of person, how the person can give so much to anyone.
Thank you, Armi. I will cut you short over here.
There is no end about Kavita. Yeah, she's so please join. So join the cafe and you will learn many things from her.
Yeah, so it is about giving your time actually, and join with an intention to learn and help others. So helping others अगर आपके दिमाग में है ना, आप जरूर कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ से लेके जाओगे. So that you should always think that I have joined here to help somebody else. And कौन किस दूसरे को help करता है? The one who is in a position to help. So that means you are, you have something which you can help others. So that means you believe in yourself. So वो अपने आप ही आपका confidence and belief सब आ जाएगा. मीना जी.
मीना जी अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देने वाले आज वापस. I will love to hear that again.
Yes.
मीना जी, first introduce yourself, please.
नहीं बोलूंगी.
नहीं, please बोलिए ना.
It will motivate so many others.
Yes.
You must say.
अभी 55 बोल रहे थे ना आप लोग, तो मैं ये इसीलिए मैंने ऑन करवाया अपना. 55 नहीं 60 प्लस बोलिए. क्योंकि यहाँ मैं हूँ 60 प्लस.
बट आपको देख के आपका एज का पता नहीं चलता है.
नहीं चलता.
ये मत बोलिए बस. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
नहीं अभी अपने कैफे के बारे में बात
करते
हैं. Yeah, and cafe members have actually, I will just say, if any more questions you have, you can put it in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
And we will answer over there. भाविका, और कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं?
नहीं, मैं यही बोल रही थी, अभी यही बता रही थी कि सब नए मेंबर है ना, तो मैं यही बोल रही थी कि दोपहर में वही क्लास का जैसे एक दिन पहले आ जाता है कि ये क्लास है, या एक वीक पहले, तो लगता है मेरे लायक नहीं है, मुझे नहीं करना है.
हाँ.
लेकिन जिस दिन वो क्लास होती ना 3 बजे, अभी भी आज मैंने सोचा था मुझे क्या करना है साउथ का चैप्टर, लेकिन 3 बजे मैंने जूम में उसको ऑन कर लिया कि नहीं चलो सुनते हैं, कुछ तो सीखेंगे कविता से। तो
मीना
कुछ
जी,
न कुछ
you
सीखने
are
को मिलता है।
sweet. मतलब
हैं?
आप बहुत ही स्वीट हो।
बहुत स्वीट। पारुल अग्रवाल raised hand. Any question, Parul?
थैंक यू मीना जी।
Parul, you can ask your question.
It's not just a question. Like I'm married for 15 years. I was a good student. I was working in a bank at that time. And in last 15 years, what is the mindset of general Indian women that we keep giving to the family? Or after such a long stretch, मैं खुद मैं जानती हूँ I am potential. I have potentials to do so many things. But general women, after giving so much to the family, हम लोग को लगता है शायद हम कर नहीं सकते कुछ. Like एक mindset हो जाता है. Even if we get the opportunities, we take a back foot. तो एक general mindset हो जाता है. My friend Parul Sabu told me 2 days back कि join cafe. उसने मुझे link भेजा. मैंने कहा नहीं यार, अब नहीं कर पाऊंगी. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मतलब I have adopted to this lifestyle. But she pushed me back again yesterday night and she said join कर. Why haven't you joined? And I did join. एंड अभी मैं सुन भी रही थी तो मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं यार पता नहीं क्या, बट एज योर मेंबर्स कीप कमिंग इन एंड दे आर टॉकिंग, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं, लाइक आई कैन फाइंड बैक माई सेल्फ, लाइक आई कैन से दैट यस यूर बैक. कुछ आई मीन आई एम हैविंग गूज बम्प्स. आई डोंट नो, मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं था, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. मैं इतना भूल भी गई हूँ कि मेरे अंदर किन किन चीजों का पोटेंशियल है. शायद यू एब्सोल्युटली क्लोज योरसेल्फ, pack yourself and forget about yourself.
Absolutely.
So this is what I'm feeling personally. मैं इतना खुल के किसी से नहीं बोलती हूँ. I keep showing कि नहीं यार मैं बहुत cool हूँ और मैं अभी भी वैसी हूँ. And honestly I keep faking like मैं बहुत मस्त हूँ यार. होगा ठीक है, being a housewife also I'm very cool यार. मैं आज भी वैसी हूँ जैसे 15. But actually back of the mind मुझे कहीं ना कहीं एक कॉम्प्लेक्स आ गया कि नहीं यार शायद नहीं कर पाऊंगी यार. शायद नहीं कर पाऊंगी. सो मेरे ख्याल से 90% जो हम हाउसवाइफ्स बन गए हैं, इवन विद द पोटेंशियल्स, हम भूल जाते हैं खुद को. तो पता नहीं, मुझे अभी भी ये लग रहा है कि शायद मैं कर पाऊंगी. क्या करूंगी मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं ये भी भूल गई हूँ. तो मतलब एक्चुअली दिस इज द थिंग.
बट वो सब याद आ जाएगा पारुल.
तो मुझे लग रहा है
हाँ, वी विल यू नो टुगेदर वी विल फाइंड द पीसेस बैक. जो भी पीसेस अपने दब गए हैं नीचे, अपने पोटेंशियल के, अपना टैलेंट्स का, और जो भी इच्छा था बचपन में कि मेरे को बड़े होकर ये करना है. सो वी ऑल विल टुगेदर वी विल हैव टू फाइंड. अकेले से तो कुछ नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता है.
सो टुगेदर वी ऑल विल डू.
ऑप्टिमिस्टिक थोड़ा सा, मतलब आई एम हैविंग चिल्ड हैंड्स. आई मीन मुझे अभी भी
नो एंड ऐसा ओवरनाइट कुछ नहीं होगा. लेट मी टेल यू ईच ऑफ यू कि देयर इज नथिंग, देयर इज नो मैजिक कि आपको ओवरनाइट पता चल जाएगा कि आप ये कर सकते हो या वो कर सकते हो. बिकॉज यू नो वी हैव मेंबर्स हु हैव बीन विद अस फॉर लास्ट 1 year बट दे आर स्टिल थिंकिंग कि मैं अब क्या करूं. So ऐसा it is very difficult to decide, not just for women.
Not the families to be blamed, but हम लोग खुद होते हैं. Like हम लोग खुद को बंद कर लेते हैं.
Yes, absolutely.
अब कौन इस mental block?
हाँ, तो वो खुद ही अपने पहले से ही बोल देते कि नहीं मैं तो कुछ बड़ा तो नहीं करूंगी, मेरे को अपना ये भी देखना है वो भी देखना है, I will do something small. तो खुद ही पहले से सोच लेते हैं. But let's,
for example, I've given up my health also. I don't go for a walk. I don't go for a jog. I was an athlete. अब मैं 90 kgs की हूँ.
तो we have health and fitness group भी है जहाँ पे एक दूसरे को सब पुश करते हैं कि अब आज कितना किया.
ये भी छोड़ दिया मैंने, वो भी छोड़ दिया कि यार अगर मैं चली गई तो इस वक्त ब्रेकफास्ट कौन देगा, मैं चली गई तो स्कूल को लेट हो जाएगा. But we keep like what to say, we keep hurting ourselves.
No, see, our primary responsibility is our family. That will always remain. It is not that we ignore others or our family members and just think about ourselves. वैसा अपना that we are not that kind of a people. So women are not made that ways. But
no, not made. But क्या होता है ना, हम अपने guilt को छुपाने के लिए हम responsibilities को responsible कराने लगते हैं. हाँ. कि नहीं यार, actually it is that we don't want to do sometimes.
Yeah.
We
छोड़ो
play
ना.
the blame game. यार छोड़ो ना, कौन देखता है.
Absolutely.
But now I really feeling, and honestly speaking, I'm reading a book called Magic. Maybe you have heard about it.
Yeah. Secret.
Actually, magic is happening. Matlab, in the magic mirror, I felt that I have rediscovered myself. Now I should live for myself also. तो बस मैंने जिस दिन ये क्लास किया उसके नेक्स्ट डे कैफे हैपेंड टू मी एंड टुडे आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू मतलब आई एम सीरियसली फीलिंग सच में मैजिक इज हैपनिंग
Wow.
it's high time.
That's really very nice, Parul. Just move ahead with positive mindset and
Yes.
cafe में we are मैंने बोला जरूर कि boring sessions and all that, but boring होता नहीं actually.
होता
We do
नहीं
lot
है।
of मस्ती in cafe.
You're being modest और कुछ
नहीं
but
So,
I'm honestly ready to give a lot अगर जो मुझसे अभी हो पड़ेगा
बिल्कुल बस
बिल्कुल
so you are all set to join cafe because
That
if
is
you are
my
ready to
motive.
give तो
a
बस
lot
हाँ बस so we are all here to give in the process अगर अपने को कुछ मिल जाता है वापस तो that is a bonus to all of
yeah,
us.
exactly.
So thank you so much. Thank you so
Kavita.
much everyone for joining in.
Yes,
and
thank you so much.
Wishing Bhavika all the very best to rock the Karnataka chapter.
Definitely I will with your help, with your mentorship, with your guidance. It will definitely rock.
And yes, looking forward to all the beautiful sessions with all of you. Please give time and you will definitely have something to take back. Thank you, and thank you to all our members who've given such beautiful
amazing feedback.
Always happy for whatever you all have achieved, and you will all keep on achieving. This is just the beginning for you all. So the first step is the most difficult. Once you just take that one step, now uske baad seedhi pe upar chadna is not difficult. So just take that first step. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. So that's all for the day. Is there any question? No, na?
No, I don't think so. Any more questions you all can put in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I think that's what we will take your question now there on the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
So we will just end this session.
Rinku has something to say, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just 1 second.
Yeah, I want to say one thing to all the members कि मैंने जो 5 महीने में जो ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट मेरा जो हुआ है ना, वो 4 साल में मैं स्ट्रगल कर रही थी वो नहीं हुआ. तो वो कैफे इज दैट आंसर फॉर मी. And she's always there. खाली एक आइडिया सोचना ही नहीं. She helps to execute that idea also. And she's always there how to execute. That is the very important part that help she gives all of us.
Thank you, Rinku. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Let's close the session. Bhavika?
Yes. Thank you, everyone. Really looking forward to growing together. So on that note, we will just end the session. See you all soon with a fresh session of learning and all.
Yes.
From the next Monday.
Absolutely. Chalo, bye-bye.
Bye.